Winters has been in the business of manufacturing premium quality instrumentation for over 65 years. 8 strategically located offices provide fast order fulfillment and technical support to its distribution partners in over 90 countries in which we operate. Winters instrumentation can be found in all industrial process and commercial markets, including oil and gas, wastewater, commercial HVAC, and industrial manufacturing. The company prides itself on its customer focus. Executive and regional sales meetings are held quarterly to resolve any issues that may have arisen in the previous quarter. Customers are consulted for their opinion and feedback through our annual distributor survey. As a result of this survey, Winters developed a customer-focused program called CS10 to enhance the customer experience. The Winters team members receive weekly training to ensure their skills are up to date and 100% satisfaction is provided, making Winters a 2021 Gold winner of Canada's Best Managed Companies. The Winters engineering and quality team work closely with our factories to develop, implement, and continuously improve the manufacturing process. Audits, inspections, and scheduled testing ensure that procedures are being followed and defects are caught at the source. Batch and frequent testing allow Winters to provide a premium final product to our customers. Winters processes are frequently audited as part of the company's ISO certification, which can be found under approvals on our winters.com website. Our customers value our services and instrumentation, such as our stabilizer pressure gauge movement and our WinSmart transmitters. In addition to our instrumentation, we offer a variety of services such as custom dials for Winters and non-Winters instrumentation, calibration repair, certification testing, diaphragm seal assembly, oxygen cleaning, and our gauge audit program and other engineering services. A 5-year warranty applies to all instrumentation and instrumentation accessories. We are continuously expanding our offering with new products such as valves, isolation rings, and smart transmitters, guided by a series of values and our core purpose to make it easy for people to get instrumentation. Winters invests in technology to remain accessible to customers, from a mobile-friendly website to our Tools to Go app that allows for the configuration of instrumentation and scanning of Winters product codes, directing them to our distributor portal. The Winters team is dedicated to providing the highest level of quality and support to its customers, whether it's expanding distribution networks, relentlessly pursuing quality in manufacturing, undergoing training to better service our customers, or develop innovative new ways to make it easy for people to get instrumentation in every industry across the globe. Winters is there.